What is this pesky verb get all about anyway?
What's the one English verb that drives almost every learner crazy? Think about it. A word that can mean receive, become, understand, arrive, fetch, and a dozen more things. Yep, you guessed it, get. If you've ever felt totally lost with this verb, you're not alone. Millions of English learners struggle with it every day. But by the end of this video, you'll finally master it. You'll know exactly when and how to use get like a native speaker. Welcome to Listen and Speak, clear, no fluff English lessons. Today we're breaking down the verb get, step by step. Ready? Let's get started.
The first and most basic meaning is probably the one you already know: to receive or obtain something. Here are some everyday examples. I got a new laptop for my birthday. She finally got her dream job. I'm just going to get some coffee. Did you get my email? Super simple, right? This is the foundation. But get gets way more interesting from here.
One of the most common uses in spoken English is get, meaning become, especially with adjectives. It shows change or a new state. Listen to these. It's getting dark outside. I'm getting really tired after work. Don't get angry. It was an accident. She's getting much better at English. You hear that? It's all about change over time. Quick tip, natives use this all the time instead of become. It sounds much more natural. Pause for a second and make your own sentence with get meaning become. For example, I'm getting hungry. Go ahead, say it out loud. I'm getting hungry. Great job.
Another super common meaning: to understand something. Examples. Oh, now I get it. Sorry, I didn't get the joke. Do you get what I'm saying? Or just got it. When you finally understand. This one is huge in conversations. Natives say, I get it way more than I understand. It feels friendlier and more casual. Try it. Think of something you just learned and say, now I get it, out loud. Feels good, right?
Two more practical ones. First, get can mean to go and bring something back. Can you get me a glass of water? I'll get the door. He ran upstairs to get his phone. Second, and this is a big one, natives love. Get means arrive. What time did you get home last night? Not arrive home, that sounds too formal. When does the bus get here? I got to the airport at 6 a.m. In casual English, we almost always use get for arrival. Arrive is fine in writing or formal situations, but get is everyday speech. quick practice. Say, I got home late yesterday. Perfect.
Now let's level up. When get teams up with prepositions, it becomes phrasal verbs, the secret to sounding fluent. Here are the must-know ones. Get up, wake up, and get out of bed. I get up at 6 every morning. Get along with someone. Have a good relationship. I get along really well with my co-workers. Get over something. Recover from an illness or bad experience. It took me weeks to get over that cold. Get rid of something. Throw away or eliminate. We need to get rid of this old furniture. Get in. Enter a car or small space. Get in the car. We're late. Get on. Enter a bus, train, or plane. Hurry up and get on the train. These are everywhere in real conversations. Start using one today.
Finally, some fixed expressions you'll hear constantly. I've got to go, or I've got to get going. I need to leave now. Let's get started. Let's begin. You're getting on my nerves. You're annoying me. I'll get it. When the phone rings, I'll answer, or at a restaurant, I'll pay the bill. Get out of here. Either literal leave or surprise. No way. Really? Master these and you'll instantly sound more natural.
There you have it. The verb get completely demystified. It's not just one word. It's a superpower for receiving, becoming, understanding, arriving, fetching, and tons of phrasal verbs and expressions. Your challenge today. Use get at least 3 times in real sentences. Maybe I'm getting hungry, I finally get it, and I've got to go. Write one of them in the comments below. I read them all. If this lesson helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more clear lessons every week, and turn on notifications. Share it with a friend who's also learning English. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching. You've got this. Keep listening, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next one.